Hey, first grade families. This is Miss Becky. I just wanted to kind of go over part of the homework for tonight. This is kind of tricky, what we've started today. It's chapter 12, and basically it's just addition of two-digit numbers. And once we move into the vertical addition, it'll be a lot simpler. And I told the students that they kind of started out really weird. So when you look at the homework tonight, just know that it's not going to stay that way, but it is important for them to know how to break down or decompose a number into its expanded form. Again, most of them have mastered expanded form, but for some reason when they see it here, because this looks very confusing, I know, it threw a few of them off. So I just want to kind of go through the way that I talk through the problem, so that if they have trouble tonight, you can look back at this to help them, or they can watch it. They can also look at the sheet that they did in class today. That will be in their binder. Okay, so we're going to be grouping to add. So this is the homework sheet. And number 1, the problem is 24 plus 5. And of course, we could just add that simple. We could count on 24 plus 5 more. Okay, so finding the answer that way is simple, but they want us to use expanded form to write out the add-ins. So first step is, I told the class, we need to draw our tens and ones to picture the number. So instead of looking at all this and getting confused, just start with 24, okay, and that's 2 10 sticks and 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. I hope you can see that, okay? And then we're adding 5, so we just 5 ones, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we've done the first part. Draw tens and ones to picture the numbers. We've done that, 24 plus 5. Now this is where we're going to use expanded form to write out the add-ins, and it kind of helps you with this little bracket here, okay? So 24, the 2 tens, just like in expanded form, the 2 tens represent how much. The value is 20. So they've already filled in 20 here, okay? And then you're adding how many ones? You have 4 ones, so we put our 4 down here. But we still have what over here? 5 ones. Okay, I'm just circling it to show you. They don't have to circle it. Okay, so we bring our 5 down. And again, this little line kind of shows us where to bring that add-in. So now we've broken it down to expanded form. 24 is 20 plus 4, and then we still add on the 5. Okay? From here, it's pretty simple because the lines show us 20. We just bring it straight down, okay? And then I showed them this. I said when you have this little bracket, it's connecting 2 add-ins together. So that means we need to add 4 plus 5, okay? You could count them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or you could just count on and add it like a normal addition fact. 4 plus 5 is 9, so 9 ones. Which brings us to 20 plus 9 equals 29. Okay, again, I know it seems like we're going, roundabout way to find the answer, and we are, and it won't always be that way, but it is important for them to know how to break down numbers in expanded form, decomposition of numbers, just so they can see it in its place value. Okay, so again, over here, you have 10. So I tell them, look at number 10, check the tens place. How many 10 sticks do you need? 1. How many ones? Okay, again, they're going to do the same thing for number 2. Down here, we're writing the value of each add-in. They have to kind of look careful here because it starts out by saying if you have 4 10 sticks plus 1 10 stick, how many 10 sticks? So I said at first you just go 4 plus 1. And this problem is just asking you how many 10 sticks, or how many tens is that? Well, 4 plus 1 is 5, okay? But we know that it's tens. So 4 tens is the same as, and if they need to write it out, they can. 1, 2, 3, 4 10 sticks. We count by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 40, okay? Plus 1, if they want to show the 10 stick to help, they can. And 1 10 stick, the value of that is 10. Okay? And 40 plus 10 more is 50. They should be good at that, the 10 more. Okay? And I wanted them to see it's the same. 5 10 sticks is the same as 50. 50 is 5 10 sticks, okay? So same thing here, 3 10s plus 4 10s. Down on the bottom, make sure that they draw their 10 sticks and 1s first. So draw their 10s and 1s for 15 and for 10. And then they're just going to add the 10s to the 10s, 10 place to the 10s place, and 1s to 1s to get their answer. Okay? Again, if they have trouble with it tonight, that's totally normal. This was like we just jumped right in this chapter. And it's a little bit confusing, but it does kind of even out in the end when we start adding vertically with 2 digits, okay? They just want them to see how we can join the 10s with the 10s and the 1s with the 1s. So down here, you do the add on the back. It's just fact families, okay? So we have 3 numbers, and they know they can look at all the facts. Which 3 numbers? What are our part, and whole? Okay, those are our 3 numbers. And then find the answers. Down here again, you have a fact family. 3 and 7 are your part plus part equals whole, 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. They're just going to fill in the facts. And then putting an X on the shape that is different from the others. Okay, I always tell them start out by counting the sides. Okay, and they can also look at straight edges and curved edges. Okay, so for example, if you have a group and 3 of the shapes have straight edges and 1 has a curved, you know the one that has the curve does not belong. So, and again, coloring each shape that has only 3 sides, okay? Anyway, I hope this helps. Again, don't be alarmed if they have a little bit of trouble with it. This is the first day that we've covered it. So they just do their best, and I hope that this helps some. Have a great day. Thank you.